These elite athletes are attempting to run the length of an entire country. 3, 2, 1, go!
Today, they will be attempting to run the entire length of Malta. They must reach this boat before the sun goes down.
They've travelled from Tokyo, they've travelled from Romania, all over the world. They're all going to be wanting to succeed in this. They're all competitive, they're all highly fierce.
Yes. How do you feel? Tired. Oh, no.
It's hard work.
Oh, yeah. Maybe don't follow me next time. Yeah.
That was not a good idea.
Navigation's not my strong point.
The runners will have to run further than a marathon, across tough terrain and elevation changes with no clear route.
Yeah. Road's closed. What to do?
As if running the length of a whole country isn't hard enough, there are 3 checkpoints where the runners can be eliminated. Checkpoint 1 is at the highest point in Malta. The last person to reach the top will be eliminated.
Yeah. I just can see the 20k mark up there. That's the top of the island.
It's a race between local runner Ryan and elite runner DENISA. DENISA is the first athlete eliminated.
I wasn't sure if I'm ahead or last, so I did one big push.
The legs are starting to burn, but let's keep moving.
Woo. Pretty sweet, huh? Bamboo jungle. Surprisingly, I'm in the lead and I'm being chased by the legends. I better run.
They're approaching the second checkpoint.
The first runner that I see in my catcher car is going to be eliminated from the race.
Just like in the Wings for Life World Run, a unique running event that takes place all over the world at the same time. It's a race with no finish line. Instead, you're chased by a catcher car. If it overtakes you, you're out of the race.
First runner has passed the checkpoint. I think the others are approaching now, but there was a bit of a gap.
I think I am the left entry on the course.
It's time to eliminate him.
But Katie's coming fast. She's the... No! Oh, no!
Sorry, Luka, you are eliminated.
Oh, it was hard. Katie arrived so fast. I gave my all. It was all for the good cause.
100% of all entry fees go directly to research to find a cure for spinal cord injury. The runners are nearly at the end of the island. They need to reach the boat before the sun sets.
Scary.
Oh my.
Maybe we can go around here. Super steep. Pretty rad, turning into a bit of an adventure.
Go! That's 45k in, and fatigue is kicking in. It starts to get very tough. I think this is final down here. Woohoo!
They have run the length of an entire country.
We made it!
Did I miss it?